You are watching 2+U Nevada, and I am so excited. This afternoon, we are with partners in crime, Nick and Tory. They are bringing a new restaurant experience to the Steamboat Parkway area, Amici Pizzeria and Bar. You guys, thank you so much for hosting us this afternoon.
Yes, thank you for having us.
So this is super cool. I have been salivating since I walked in the door because your food looks absolutely beautiful. But Nick, first and foremost, I want to bring up the fact that you are a restaurateur. You have a lot of restaurants in Las Vegas. Tory, you were born and raised here in the Truckee Meadows.
Yes,
and how did you two hook up and make this happen here in Reno?
Well, so Nick and I were working on multiple projects down south, and then we were liking what we were seeing insofar as the development, and we said, well, let's bring some noise to Reno.
And you are noisy.
Yeah, a little bit. We're shaking the tree, right?
I love this. Well, and also what is super cool about this location, we'll get to the food in a second because I have to taste this, and I'm gonna stop talking when I'm eating all of this amazing food. So let's get to the bar portion, Nick. Yeah. You've got a phenomenal rewards program. Let's talk about the other side of the house.
Yeah, absolutely. So we operate over 100 slot machines in the state of Nevada. So basically what we did was about a couple years ago, we curated our whole own custom rewards program. So every week, depending on your play from the prior week, we give up to $1,000 in free play, all automatic. You don't have to ask anybody, you don't have to send a text, the bartenders don't have to get harassed. It's all queried every Monday, first thing in the morning. They can come in, hang out, have a good time, and enjoy our food and our presence.
And just so you know, you cannot see through the windows of the bar side of the house. So just letting you know, it's you can see out, you can't see in. Okay, so now your restaurants in Las Vegas, this is not the same concept as what you have in Las Vegas. This is your first pizzeria?
Yes.
And
correct.
you were telling me that, I mean, this deep dish looks absolutely amazing. True story, my husband loves deep dish. I love thin crust. So the two of us can never eat the same pizza. So I'm thrilled to see at least we can come to the same place.
Yeah, we've covered your bases here.
Exactly.
On the pizza side, right?
Yes. Talk to me about the menu.
So it's pizzeria and bar, but we're very diversified. So we've got craft pasta dishes, really nice bougie salads, right? Gorgeous wine list too to go with those salads.
Okay.
But then we've got your bar food. So we've got your burgers and fries, the wings, right? So we've diversified the portfolio, and then of course, gorgeous desserts.
Absolutely gorgeous desserts. When we're talking about the bar food, are you serving your full menu at the bar all the time?
Yep, all the time.
Oh, that's really good to know. So anything that somebody sees here, they can also get on the bar side.
Yep, absolutely.
What I also love too, because we were talking about this before we started recording, is your booth sizes are so amazing. A full family could sit in this booth and share this pizza. So tell me what this pizza is, because I'm just going for it.
Bail in there.
Yeah.
So, and I've heard you like the ricotta side.
Ricotta's
so
my favorite.
This is our veggie thin crust. So New York, slightly crispy, foldable if you want, right? So complex, right? But simple enough to be where you can taste all the flavors.
There's pesto on that. Amazing.
So you're picking
fresh
up the pesto.
flavors.
Nice.
Yes, picking up the pesto, picking up the ricotta. Absolutely delicious. Now, what I understand, because we went back into the kitchen, and the kitchen absolutely gorgeous and clean, and your chef Luis told me that this meatball recipe is very special.
Yes. So to kind of start it off, every sauce, every dough, down to everything, even just the meatballs, and I'll touch on that here in a second, is all fresh. All of our sauces are fresh, handcrafted every day. Everything that's on the pizza, fresh. The dough, handmade. Same thing with the deep dish as well. Now the meatball recipe is a little bit of a special story. So this recipe is our family meatball recipe from generations. Our grandmother perfected this recipe, and sure enough, what we ended up doing was we were like, hey, what a perfect opportunity then to bring it to our first Italian tavern, shockingly enough, here in South Reno. So, you know, we absolutely wooed her with that. There were tears to be shed in that moment because, you know,
because
that was
the
special.
family recipe is being shared with
absolutely.
the public.
Absolutely. And we all know how to make this recipe. This has been a generational situation for so long. So we figured, why not, right? And to make it all better and to tie the knot, why not call it Mammy's Meatballs?
Mammy's Meatballs, and you said it's a 100-year-old recipe.
Yeah. Yep.
Fantastic, you guys.
What do you think?
It's amazing. It's amazing. We have 1 minute left, so I really want people to know where to come. Give folks your address. If they want to check out the menu, where do they go online?
AmiciReno.com.
AmiciReno.com, your physical address.
1141 Steamboat Parkway.
And your hours of operation.
What are we, 10 to 12?
11 to 11.
11 to 11. There you have
11
it.
to 11.
See, it's so new because, by the way, just so you know, grand opening is tomorrow. So come here, your grand opening date.
The
June 11th.
June-
At 11.
What is, yeah, there you have
11,
it.
11 right
at
there.
11.
Lucky
there
numbers.
you go. You guys, thank you so much for
Thank you,
hosting
Sarah.
us this
Thank
afternoon.
you for having
You've
us.
been great.
Absolutely.
You're watching 2 Plus U Nevada.